Hi, I'd like to show you a quick and easy way to make sure that your students can see their grades, their current grade in the course. On your home page, go to My Grades, Grades. Right here in the final grade category, I've actually renamed this current grade. You can easily do that by hitting Edit and changing the name right here. It may say Final Calculated Grade right now. To release these grades to your students, the first thing you need to look at is to see the eyeball right here. Right now, the final grade is not released, so we have an eyeball with a little slash through it. Your students cannot see their current grade or final grade. To change this, click the down arrow and hit Enter Grades. Click here so that it will check all of the students, and then click Release, Unrelease. They will all be released. Save. And then you will see now that you have a little eyeball here so that your students can see their, in Brightspace, what's called the final grade, but which is actually their current grade. Thanks, and if you have any questions, please contact us, dl@cnm.edu, and we can give you a hand.